Hello everyone, and welcome to my Roblox scripting series where I teach you how to script on Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about tables. Tables are a unique type of variable that store multiple values under one name. For example, the variable myTable is a table that consists of a string, a boolean, a number, and a function. To access the values inside the table, you need its index, which is the position of that value inside the table. To do this, we use square brackets and the number position of the value in the table. For example, to access the first item, we access it by using index 1. For the second item, we access it by using index 2, and so on. You can set values of tables by setting the index as if it is a variable. Here, we are changing the first index of the string to another string, and we are changing this boolean to a number. If you set any index of a table to nil, that index now holds nothing. Tables have special functions alongside them. The three main common ones being table.insert, table.remove, and table.find. All three functions take the table you are using as the first argument. Table.insert creates a new value inside a table, and if there are any values after it, the function moves those slots' indexes up by 1. So if I inserted a new value into the second index, the current second index value would move to the third, and so on. To do this, I just insert the argument of the table, the argument of the index I want the value to be at, and the actual value I want to be inserted. If we run the game, you can see how table.insert plays out. If you don't enter in an index argument, the computer will just insert the variable at the end of the table. Table.remove does the opposite. It removes the value from the table, and then it moves the index of all following values back 1. Here's how that would look. Now table.find is a function that returns the index of a value given in a table. If that value does not exist in the table, the function will return -1. Here are some examples of table.find. Tables are a major part in programming. You are going to be storing lots of data in groups, and you will be using tables for advanced purposes, which we will go over later on in the series. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment on how you felt on the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.